Alright, so let's hear it for Simona. Let's give it up for Simona. Alright, very good. So thanks a lot. Shout out to Simona for sending in her name for today's Igbo Name of the Day giveaway. So I asked Simona to describe herself for me, and she said that she's a very giving person, and she can just observe and see what someone in her life needs, and just give it to them, help them out in wherever area of their life that they need, and just basically give them whatever will help them out without having to be asked, right? So I thought about this and I said, you know what, the perfect Igbo name for her is Onyinyechi, or short for that, Onyinye. Come on, say that with me. Onyinyechi. Good. So you guys ready to translate that name together? All right, cool. So Onyinye, that kind of